What did I just do? Hello guys. Hello. Look at me. Look what I'm about to do. Can you guys guess what I'm about to do? I am finally ready. It's time for this to go. It's time to go. So guys, I will be chopping off my hair today. So let's see how this works out. Oh my gosh. I have been thinking about it, and thinking about it. And I'm done thinking about it. It's whatever. I'm ready for it to go. It is leaving today. I have procrastinated and it's time to go. I have my hair parted off and look how I'm just over this. Like, my hair is damaged and I just have that type of hair that's like, it's just rough. It's just rough and dry, and now it's just time to shed it. So I go through my phase where when it gets like this, it's time to shed and start over. So we're gonna just start over, and I just need a new look. I want to have something new and different. So I'm going for like a short little pixie TWA. More like in a mullet style. So I have my sides parted off because I want to go with like a more tapered like style. I want to kind of like short on the sides, and I want the middle and the front to be the longest parts. Well, actually, I want the back, like I kind of want, like I said, like a mullet. So I'm parting off my back section because I want it to be kind of longer in the back. The shorts tapered on the side, the middle, you know, a little bit shorter, but the top longer. Let me fix my part. I had all this stuff pre-parted, but okay, I guess that's good enough. It don't have to be perfect. Just clamp this away, and I'm gonna clamp the top. I'm gonna start off in the back and work my way up. I have another surprise that I'm going to be doing after I cut my hair. I am going to be dyeing my hair too, y'all. I don't know how this is gonna look. I kind of want it like a brownish red, so I'm gonna probably go over with this, and this is the Adore in Cinnamon number 58, and this is the Dark and Lovely Bleach kit that I'm gonna go in after. Let's get started. We got a lot to do. I'm not gonna cut clean across. I'm gonna cut one side at a time. How about split ends? I think I got the back how I want it to be. Now let's do these sides. I'm gonna split this like right down here. Sorry about the lighting. I hope the lighting is not too bad. I couldn't do this like I usually film because I can't see. I can't see good. So I'm just gonna go shorter here. I'm just gonna cut up like this. This way. So, okay, I'm liking how that's coming along. Look, you see my shape? And then it's kind of gonna get longer right here in the back. Ew. I'm excited. I'm excited. So let's do this side. Yeah, I was getting ready to do a crochet hairstyle and I just could not do it because I'm over my hair. And I've been having like these headaches from wearing my hair in a ponytail. So I was like, it's time for a change. this side just a little bit longer. Right here. A little heavy right here. Let me see. Still a little bit, like, I may just refine it when it's wet, but I think it's a little heavy right here. All right. See, okay, it's starting to look better. Woo! Oh my gosh, I can't believe I'm doing it. I'm actually doing it now. There's no turning back. And I feel great. All right, let's tackle this middle, girl. Look at this. Now this is why I was like, this has to go. Look at this. Oh, thick. It's so thick right there. So I'm gonna have to split this too because, oh. Yeah, I've never been scared to cut my hair. This is my third big chop. It's just hard to see. And this stuff is, I'm not trying to say the N word, but it's real nappy. Nappy. No offense, but it is. This is my hair. Okay, I think the shape is looking good. Let's see what it's like from back. Is it looking good, y'all? The front. Dun, dun, dun. Yeah, I'm so dramatic. This is what my hair is looking like, y'all. What did I just do? Now, let's get to the color. All right, so I got it all mixed up. Well, I'm mixing it up now. Let's get these gloves on and get started. Y'all, I think I'm more nervous about the color than I was about the cut. Let's see. Screw this top. Oh, I knew it was gonna burst out like that. See, I was supposed to put the other little top on and mix it. See, I didn't follow directions. I knew it was gonna do that. So let's get started in the front.
I should have sectioned my hair off, but I hope this gonna be enough. Like, I don't have a lot of hair now, but my hair's thick.
Yeah, I'm gonna try this at home because I'm looking very unprofessional. I kind of feel like I could have did better by putting this in a bowl than using this applicator because it's just like so thick. I had to run and go get a bowl. I'm just gonna dump it in this bowl. Y'all, okay, I got the bleach in. I hope it's evenly coated. But yeah, I'm liking the shape. I did kind of comb it out a little bit just to make sure. Looks like all my hair got some bleach on it. So I'm excited. Let me put a shower cap on. I'm gonna let this develop. Honey, this is about to be a new Miss Jalen. Yes, ma'am. I'm excited. All right, where's my shower cap? Okay, here got my cap. Let me put my cap on. And then I need to go check on my child. I'll let this develop. I'll be right back in 30 minutes. I'm gonna go ahead and clean up my mess I got in here, and I'll be back. Y'all, I think it's fully developed. Oh my God, it's orange. All right, I'm ready to rinse this out. It looks pretty even all over. So I'm gonna go ahead and rinse this out. It's now been 40 minutes. Okay, y'all, this is what it's looking like after I shampooed. I neutralized it too. It's very brassy. Although that conditioner was supposed to tone it out, I did use some shimmering lights to kind of tone it down. But I mean, it is what it is. That's why I have this. We're gonna go in, tone it down just a little bit, because it's just like, whoa, out there. It's like orange. It's orange.
Here, this Vaseline right here for my down the whole face.
I'm gonna let this process for about 15 minutes. Hello guys, look at my hair. What do you guys think? How did it turn out? Y'all, I'm loving it. I love the color. The color is so pretty, so pretty. And I like how it came out. I may do some more tweaking on the cut, but this is what it looks like. I'm gonna turn around so you guys can see the bag. I kind of was swishing it down because I may go through and cut the sides with some clippers. I don't know. Comment down below. Let me know what you think. Should I just leave it alone, cut down the sides? I don't know. But I'm loving it. I use some mousse and some gel. I'll leave that in another video to show like a tutorial on how I style my hair. But I did use some rods at the top to give some more definition. But yeah, I am loving it, guys. Tell me what you think about my little makeover. I am in love. So cute. And the best thing about it is I did not sweat out my hair when I worked out this morning. But yeah, this is the new J. Marie. What do you guys think? If you're loving my look as well, make sure you guys like this video and also comment down below. And don't forget to subscribe if you have not subscribed. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.